Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this Beautyforever hair review. This is a non-sponsored video. So right now I'm just showing you what the inside of the wig looks like. This is actually a 5x5 closure wig. So the first step that I take with this wig, I actually bleach the knots. If you want, just let me know in the comments below if you want a detailed video for how I bleach the knots. The second step is I put on this Gorilla Glue all over the lace because my plan is to dye this hair jet black, and I'm going to use the watercolor method. I actually learned this from lovely Brianna's channel. She put the Gorilla Glue on the lace and then she blow dried it, I guess until it's dry, and for some reason my Gorilla Glue was like still sticky, but I still went ahead and water dyed it jet black anyway. Now, after the Gorilla Glue was mostly dry, you can see it there, I used this Kiss Temptation in jet black. I actually prefer this over the Adore jet black just because the smell. I enjoy the smell of the Kiss Temptation color dyes. So I'm using this one. I am going to mix it up with what you see is like a butter knife, a plastic butter knife. And then I'm going to start dipping the hair into the water. I boiled the water, but not until it was boiling hot, just so it can be hotter than the actual faucet water. I don't think you have to do this step. I've done it. I've watercolored hair before without boiling water, but for some reason with this one, I just wanted to see if it would give me a better color payoff, and it worked out really well. And now we are going to move on to flat ironing the hair. This hair is body wave, and I believe it is 22 inches, 180% density. All the information will be down below in the description box, and I'll give you the link to this exact wig as well. I am using this argan oil mist spray. Again, I will leave this down in the description box. I got this from Amazon, 2 in a pack. It smells amazing, and it really does a great job at, I'm going to say, like smoothing the hair and making it extra silky, but it also smells good. And the next step I'm doing, I clip up the hair half up, and I'm pretty much going to go a few tracks at a time to flat iron the hair as straight as possible. I use my Kaposi flat iron, and I believe it was set to 410. So now you're just going to see me flat ironing the hair, and enjoy. Just as a little disclaimer, when I am using the chase method, I am going above the flat iron and I'm going below the flat iron. The hair is super soft and silky, so I really didn't have any issues. I just took my time and did the chase method a few times, and the hair was super straight when I finished. I know this might not be how everyone does it. This is just how I did it, and the hair turned out great. So now you see me flipping the wig inside out. I'm actually using this product called the Perfect Line Lace Wig Grids and Knot Concealer, and I am in the color Mitch. This is actually from a black owned company, and I found this on Amazon. So basically you warm it up in water or you blow dry it, and then you place this product on your knots, and it's supposed to prevent you from having to bleach them. But I already bleached my knots, so it's supposed to make your hair look more like scalp and fill the knots in. I think it worked really well for the most part. I think I didn't use enough product, so I would say the only thing I would do next time differently is put more product in it. Okay, so at this point I placed the wig on my head. I still have the lace there, and I cut out 2 little baby hairs. Sorry, there's a truck going by. I cut out 2 little baby hairs, and now I am going to place my Care wax stick and my Beyond the Zone, I think it's like heat spray or heat protectant spray, in the orange bottle, and you'll see that in the video as well. I'm placing this on the top of my wig so I can make it even flatter, and I am going to use my hot comb from my Summer Glam Tresses collection and flat iron. I keep saying flat iron, but I mean hot comb the top of my wig. I forgot who I learned this from. If I figure it out, I will leave it down below. But this method, it has your hair very silky and smooth, and it gets it very, very flat. So this is what I did. This is my hot comb again from my Summer Glam Tresses collection. And I am just hot combing this until it's as flat as I want it.
On my mind, I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind, and I can't deny it. I'm on you, I'm on you.
And now what I'm going to do is, I never actually flat iron the top portion of my hair. I want to say like the closure. So I'm going to go in with my Kaposi flat iron and again flat iron the hair. At this point, I'm like, this hair is so soft. It is so smooth. I already dyed it, and I literally could comb through it with a rat tail comb and not get any knots. So I highly recommend Beautyforever hair. It's really, really great. On top of, you know, Summer Glam Tresses, Beautyforever is probably like number 2. So right now I'm going to use my Cheese Silk Infusion, and I'm going to place this in my hair, and then I am going to flat iron it again with the Kaposi flat iron, just to make sure it's extra flat. I didn't use too much because a little goes a long way with the Cheese Silk Infusion, so just be careful. You don't want your hair being too greasy. But again, I made sure I got the ends, and I just took my time flat ironing the top portion of my wig.
You got me so excited. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started. Oh, boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time.
So now we're moving on to makeup. I just clipped my hair back with 2 little clips. And the first thing you're going to see me doing is shaving my face because I am hairy. I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to take this little razor that I got from, I think, Amazon or maybe the beauty supply store. And I'm just going to shave my mustache and shave my chin hairs. So after I do that, I am going to go in with my Makeup Revolution, and the color is in C12. This is what I always use to prime my eye for the most part. After that, I am going to go in with the Juvia's Place Palace. Oh my God, Juvia's Place palette in bronzed rustic eyeshadow. I bought this from Ulta. It's like brand new on their shelves. I also brought a blush duo, which is new and it was amazing. And that blush duo was called... The blush duo was called Volume 1, which has like a peachy and berry color blush, which I love. So for now, I'm just going in with the cranberry color on my eyes, putting this all over my lid and in my crease. And once that's done, I'm taking my P. Louise base in the color, I think it's 0 or 1. Again, all this will be in the description box below. Now, once I put this base all over my lid, I am going to go in with an oldie but a goodie, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I'm only using 2 colors in this palette because for the Juvia's Place palette, I wanted a peach color and they didn't have that. So the 2 colors I'm going to use for this from this Riviera palette are Estate and Coastline. And those kind of gave me the look I was going for as far as the peach color. So that's what I used for this particular eyeshadow look. Now, after I blend everything in, I'm going back in with that cranberry color and just blending out the edges. This is actually, I'm sorry, the brown from the Juvia's Place bronze palette. And now I'm going in with just a Milani eyeliner pencil. This is not a pencil, I'm sorry, Milani eyeliner pen. And I'm just going to do a quick wing liner. And that is really it.
I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind, and I can't deny it. I'm on you, I'm on you.
Now, after I finished my liner, unfortunately, I lost all my footage of me putting everything on my face. So the last step you'll see me doing is putting on the milk primer all over my face, and then everything else is gone after that. My camera shut off and it wasn't recording because my battery died. So sorry about that, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments down below. Thanks, guys.
You got me so excited. Now it's just me and